It's finally fall. It's time to drink pumpkin everything, enjoy the cooler temperatures, and wear our sweaters. But what about our wigs? Should we be wearing heat-friendly synthetic or regular synthetic? Raquel Welch Wavy Day is a gorgeous heat-friendly style. Or I could wear my John Renaud Miranda in regular synthetic fiber. Between the two, I'm going to go with my John Renaud Miranda. Regular synthetic fibers are a bit more durable when rubbing on collars and such, but I still might choose to wear them up to protect them even more. Looks so pretty. But what if I just want to wear my heat-friendly style? I'd recommend wearing them up as well, just to protect those fibers and keep them lasting a long time. Of course, I could also wear my regular synthetic fiber wig, my John Renaud Miranda. It's also time for holidays and football parties, so which wig is the best for cooking? Heat-friendly synthetic or regular synthetic? Should I get my synthetic fibers close to this 400-degree heat? Nope. If you have to cook in a regular synthetic fiber wig, I recommend that you pull them back and put them up and don't get your head close to that oven. And although heat-friendly fibers can withstand heat, they still should not be exposed to more than 350 degrees, or that could harm your wig. So protect those fibers by pulling them back for cooking, and then you can take them down for serving and enjoying your guests.